During the Angelus, Benedict XVI remembered the first anniversary of the terrible earthquake that took place in Haiti. 1 year after this disaster, the Pope renewed his closeness with the families of over 250,000 victims and those suffering from the cholera epidemic sweeping the country.
Desidero riservare un particolare ricordo alla popolazione di Haiti, ad un anno dal terribile terremoto, a cui purtroppo ha fatto seguito anche una grave epidemia di colera.
To mark the anniversary, Benedict XVI sent Cardinal Robert Serra to the Caribbean island. He is the president of the Pontifical Council Cor Unum, the Vatican's Department for Humanitarian Aid. With him, he brought $1.2 million on behalf of the Pope to help rebuild schools and churches destroyed in the earthquake. During the Angelus, Benedict XVI also greeted the Coptic Christians, who in recent months had been victims of several violent attacks. The last took place in an Egyptian church on New Year's Day, killing 21 people. The baptism of Jesus was also commemorated during this Angelus. The Pope explained the importance of rediscovering the meaning of the sacrament of baptism, as well as the role that parents and godparents play in the Christian formation of the newly baptized.
E questa è una grande responsabilità che deriva da un grande dono. Perciò desidero incoraggiare tutti i fedeli a riscoprire la bellezza di essere battezzati, di appartenere così alla grande famiglia di Dio e a dare gioiosa testimonianza della propria fede, affinché questa fede generi frutti di bene e di concordia.
The Pope also encouraged giving Christian names to newborns, because he said it's the sure sign that the Holy Spirit again gives birth to man in the Church.